Welcome back to the channel. Rejection can be a hard pill to swallow, but it doesn't have to be a permanent setback. With the right attitude and a determination to succeed, you can use rejections to build resilience and ultimately achieve success. In this video, we'll be exploring the importance of resilience and how it can help you reach your goals. Keep watching to find out more. Understanding rejections and negative outcomes. Learning to accept rejections and negative outcomes is an important skill in life. Many people shy away from any kind of rejection, yet managing it has become an essential life skill. Developing strategies to cope with rejections can help us grow and learn from our experiences. We can learn to take feedback constructively and use it to our advantage for future endeavors. When we face rejections, it's okay to feel disappointed, but we must remember that the experience can be used as a motivation to work harder and turn those rejections into successes. Learning to manage rejections can be difficult, but doing so will ultimately lead to greater resilience and progress. It is important to recognize that failure is not necessarily a reflection of your self-worth or abilities. Rejection can be a difficult emotion to manage, but with the right attitude, it is possible to use rejections as a learning experience. Reframing the situation and focusing on the positives of the experience can help you develop resilience and make better decisions moving forward. Practicing healthy coping mechanisms such as self-care, mindfulness, and positive self-talk can also help manage negative reactions to rejection. Keeping an open mind, being proactive, and having realistic expectations are all key components in managing rejections. Finding ways to learn from rejection can help you become more resilient and better equipped to handle future disappointments again. Job rejection can be difficult to manage and understand. However, by looking for the lesson or opportunity in the rejection, it can help you become more resilient and better equipped to face future job rejections. With the right outlook, job rejections can be seen as a chance to grow, improve, and ultimately reach your goals. The benefits of reframing rejections positively. Reframing rejections positively can help you to focus on the lessons learned from the experience and use it to improve your skills and strategies in the future. Managing rejections can be a difficult process. However, it is important to focus on the silver lining in any experience. Reframing rejections as an opportunity for learning and growth can help to put things into perspective and allow you to move forward. Learning from rejection can provide valuable insight that can help you to become more resilient and confident in the future. Taking the time to reflect on rejections and figure out what could have been improved can give you a better chance at success in the future. With proper management, rejections can be seen as a positive rather than a negative. It also allows you to practice resilience, as you don't allow yourself to become overwhelmed or disheartened by setbacks. Managing rejections can be a tough situation when facing them, but it is essential to keep an open mind and take each rejection in stride. It's important to remember that even if something doesn't work out the way you intended, there is still a lesson that can be learned. By taking this attitude of resilience, you will be able to deal with tough times better, become a stronger person, and ultimately succeed. Turning negative rejections into a positive opportunity for growth can help give you the confidence to take more risks and achieve success in the long term. Managing rejections is an essential part in any successful career. Rejections can be difficult to accept, but if you look at them as an opportunity for growth, it can create a positive experience. Turning negative rejections into a positive opportunity for growth can help give you the confidence to take more risks and achieve success in the long term. Strategies to build resilience to rejection. Acknowledge and accept the feeling of rejection in order to move it. Rejection can be a difficult pill to swallow, especially when it comes from something we've been looking forward to or have been working hard towards. The key to managing rejections is to recognize that it is a normal part of life and allow yourself to fully experience the emotions it brings up. Once you have allowed yourself the time and space to process the rejection, you can start making positive changes in your life which will help you move forward. Reframe the rejection as an opportunity to learn and grow from the experience, and use it as motivation for achieving your goals in the future. Reframe your thinking and focus on what you can learn from the experience. Facing tough situations when facing rejection can be difficult, and it's normal to feel disheartened. However, rather than getting stuck in the feeling of rejection, look at it as an opportunity to learn and grow. If you manage the rejections in a positive way, you can use them to strengthen your skills and enhance your self-confidence. Learning from tough situations like rejections can help you become a better person in the long run. Find creative ways to celebrate your successes and progress, no matter how small they may be. Also, it is important to manage rejections by finding creative ways to celebrate your successes and progress, no matter how small they may be. This helps to keep you motivated and focused on pushing through the obstacle of rejection. Recognizing and rewarding yourself for small achievements can be a great way to stay positive and upbeat. Utilizing failure as a stepping stone towards success. Acknowledge and accept the rejection, as it is the first step to understanding why something didn't work and how to try a different approach. It is tough to handle, but it's important to remember that you are not alone in this situation. If you can face it with resilience and objectivity, it can be a valuable learning experience. Take time to reflect on why the rejection came about and how you can improve upon yourself and your approach for future attempts. Additionally, it can be helpful to find support from family and friends during this tough situation when facing this. Reflect on the experience and learn from it, gaining valuable insight into what could have been done differently next time. Life after many career rejections has the potential to be filled with disappointment. However, it is important to find the positives in each setback. It can often be difficult to take life's rejections in stride, but considering your experiences as learning curves may make life's challenges less intimidating and help you better manage future situations. After understanding the reasons behind your failure, use that knowledge to create better strategies and increase your chances of success in the future. It can be difficult, but it is a part of life. It is essential to manage that we receive and use them as learning opportunities. Instead of ruminating on why we were rejected, we should shift our focus to understanding the reasons behind our failure and use that knowledge to create better strategies and increase our chances of success in the future. Identifying personal strengths and weaknesses. Identifying your personal strengths and weaknesses can help you manage it. Oftentimes, facing a tough situation when facing refusal can be tough. By knowing your strengths and weaknesses, you can make the most out of the situation. For example, if you know that you work best under pressure, then utilize this strength to make the most out of your experience. On the other hand, if you know that working in teams helps to strengthen your ideas, then speak up. Use these strengths and weaknesses as a tool to help manage it. Being aware of your strengths can give you the confidence to keep pursuing your goals despite it. It can be hard to manage, but it's important to remember that it is part of the journey in following your dreams. Take it as a learning opportunity and use it to challenge yourself to do better. Find ways to reframe it into something encouraging. It may take some practice, but eventually, you will build a powerful resilience against it and the ability to manage them more effectively. Understanding your weaknesses can help you develop a plan to address them and improve yourself for future opportunities. However, it's important to keep in mind that tough situations when facing this are a part of life. Learning to manage it is an essential skill as we navigate our way through life. Understanding your weaknesses can help you develop a plan to address them and improve yourself for future opportunities. It can be tough, but it's important to find ways to learn and grow from the experience. Practicing self-compassion in the face of rejections. It is important to remember that it are a normal part of life, and you should not take them personally. It is essential to strive to use it as motivation to further develop yourself and your skills, so that you can eventually turn those into successes. Learning how to manage it well is a key skill for anyone in life, whether it's in their professional or personal life. With practice, you'll soon understand that it is just part of the journey. Having a positive attitude and using the feedback from it to improve future results can go a long way in helping you manage failures in an effective way. Rather than dwelling on the negatives, it may be helpful to focus on what you can learn from the failures and how to improve for the future. Every job rejection provides an opportunity for self-reflection and an assessment of the job search process. After this, it is a good idea to take some time to think about what might have gone wrong and how you can use this knowledge to improve your job search in the future. By viewing job rejections as a learning opportunity instead of a setback, you can make progress and become more successful in the job market. It is also important to practice self-compassion and be kinder to yourself in order to move on from any failures you may face. Moreover, tough situations when facing it may bring up tough emotions. It is important to take care of yourself during these moments and practice self-compassion. Talk to a friend, a family member, or a therapist who can provide support and understanding. Remember that you are not defined by the outcome of any particular situation, and that the only way to move on from rejections is to be kinder to yourself. Rejections can serve as a source of motivation and drive you to work even harder. As the old quote goes, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger." By building resilience, you can use it as your advantage and ultimately achieve success. It's important to always stay focused on your goals and use it as a way to push yourself towards them. With the right attitude, resilience, and determination, you will be able to reach your desired destination. What do you think about this video? Whatever it is, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.